Okay, today we're going to take a look at a really nice Zippo I just got. Now this one arrived with the protective sleeve over the normal Zippo black box, and it says Jim Beam over the barcode. There's the box. This is a genuine Zippo. It also says Jim Beam on there. Made in Bradford, PA in the USA. Now this one does have a semi-collectible insert. It's got the Jim Beam story on there. It's pretty nice. But here is the Jim Beam Zippo. Now this is a really nice one. It's on brushed brass, and it was made in, let's see, what is that? Looks like K of 16. So that was the end of last year. Good sound. Fires up nice. And one of the better things about this one, it's got a brass insert. That is the Jim Beam's Zippo. It says 86 all over it. It's 86 proof. Let's do a drop test on this thing. A lit drop test. Okay, so the Jim Beam Zippo in brass passes the drop test nicely. Good stampings on the bottom too. You can see Bradford, PA, made in USA. It's definitely a product of the United States, and it deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.